Dr. Beasley's Matte Paint Coating Pro is the ultimate self-healing ceramic coating protecting matte paint finishes. This professional style coating system includes everything you need to install this professional style ceramic coating for a durable, long-lasting bond with the matte paint. You might be wondering why you need a ceramic coating just for matte in the first place. Here's why. Matte finishes have a texture to scatter light. Most ceramic coatings are designed to enhance gloss by filling in imperfections. The problem is, matte finishes need those imperfections to produce the matte look. Matte Paint Coating Pro is able to preserve the texture by adhering to the imperfections instead of filling them in, maintaining the matte appearance. Inside the Matte Paint Coating Pro kit is a 2-ounce bottle of Matte Paint Coating Pro Prep, a 1-ounce bottle of Matte Paint Coating Pro, 2 pipettes, 2 suede cloths, and a coating applicator. Once the ceramic coating is applied, it bonds with the matte finish to build an invisible layer of durable protection over the paint. This protective shield will resist contamination for easy cleaning, inhibit UV rays to prevent color fading, bead off water to reduce water spotting, and even self-heal fine scratches with the aid of heat. When applied correctly and regularly maintained, Matte Paint Coating Pro will remain durable for up to 5 years or more. If you need the highest level of protection for your matte finish, Matte Paint Coating Pro is the best option available. If you ever have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to us at myteam@drbeasleys.com or give us a call at 773-404-1600.